Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shelly Shebira. Now I want to reflect on this meeting of the TEFL in Indonesian class. So at this meeting, group third was discussed about learning assessment implementation. The new knowledge that I learned at this meeting was knowledge that I had not learned before, or recalling what I might have forgotten about. So the first was learning implementation is the process interaction between teacher and students designed to achieve educational goals or CP or learning outcomes that involves planning. According Daki 2022, Pohan and Davi 2021, assessments serve to measure the achievement of learning objectives and provides constructive feedback for teacher and learners. So, assessment in learning aims to measure the knowledge and skill that student has after learning process. And concept of learning are wide range of significant in human development. Human development is acquiring like knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Nah, learning outcomes and learning objectives are different. Learning outcomes refer to general or what we want to achieve, while learning objectives is the plans or the way how to achieve the outcomes. And yesterday also discussed the assessment paradigm. Previously, my lecture highlighted the difference between paradigm and principle. So, paradigm is our own view or what we believe, while principle is something that is universally recognized or in theory. So by giving an example, I understood that we are free to have a paradigm as long as it does not damage the principle that are made. Back to assessment paradigm in education refers to a framework that underlines the way we understand, design, and carry out the assessment process. So there are three main points of the first is application of growth mindset. The second is integrated our knowledge and creativity must be balanced. And the third is flexibility. And finally, the new knowledge that I get is about types of assessment. The presenter has explained three types, namely diagnostic assessment, formative assessment, and then summative assessment. In the diagnostic sections, the presenter has gave two more types, namely cognitive diagnostic and non-cognitive diagnostics. In the because basically diagnostics is in assessment is conducted before the learning process to know students' prior knowledge. So I asked if there are techniques used by teacher to identify non-cognitive diagnostics in students. And again, the new knowledge that I learned about this is that to identify non-cognitive in students, it does not have to be on a written test. It can be by the teacher paying attention to students during the learning process through activities that are created, and this is related to other types of assessment. Therefore, knowledge, skills, and attitudes become three basic things that are very important for teacher to know their students. And this explanation, I would say big thanks for Sarnana. And then, so we can conclude that learning and assessment are important aspects for education, yet they face challenges such as inadequate researches, inappropriate teaching methods, and difficulties in creating valid and reliable assessment. English language learning in Indonesia really needs attention. Learning should not only focus on the subject matter, but also on language acquisition and other skills. To overcome this challenge, teachers need to improve learning implementation by considering methods that can increase student engagement and adapt to their needs. Using formative assessments such as observation and feedback and Collaboration with others helps track students' progress and provide timely support. In addition, innovative teaching methods, which incorporate technology and interactive learning, can increase student motivation and engagement. Thank you.